Here I have Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to enable SwiftKey autocorrection feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, then go to the languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Samsung keyboard, smart typing, okay. So to enable this feature, firstly what you have to do is to just switch your default keyboard to the G board. If you have the Samsung keyboard set, then go to the on-screen keyboard, go to the G board, then go to the text correction, and here you have this option autocorrection, and here you can switch it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.